I just remember that car always being so beautiful.
The Porsche 911 is probably the greatest high-performance car ever built.
This is 600 horsepower.
My arms are tucked in if I'm driving.
It probably rides a lot like a go-kart.
So he loves doing burnouts and donuts.
What gives this car its look of total performance?
The Mustang is an extremely significant car.
Back in those days, it seemed like every family photo had a picture of their car in it.
It was so over the top.
When you drive that car, everybody is looking at him. I think they're probably looking at the car.
It's more to me than just metal and rubber. It's what it does for our family.
It's my escape.
Cool cars, good people, great car stories.